criminal speeding out of Quartzsite, Arizona. Quartzsite is a small town. It's if you're coming from San Diego, it's probably 100 miles into the Arizona border. For our Arizona residents, vice versa, it's 100 miles on the border. From Phoenix, you probably go through it as you're going to Parker or Lake Havasu, but it's this teeny tiny town. They've got, once a year, they've got this gem and rock and gem show that they're pretty well known for. People come from all over the country. I've never been. I don't know what it's like, but I guess it's pretty busy if you're into that. Anyways, we get a lot of business for criminal speeding out of Quartzsite for two reasons. One, they're either going more than 85 miles per hour on the highway, which Quartzsite's on the highway, or they get off into the actual town. And I go through it all the time on my way to Parker and Havasu. It's little speed traps. In fact, I got pulled over a couple times ago. I didn't even know the speed limit was 35. There was nobody on the road. I was going 45. The officer pulled me over. I got off right away. I knew exactly what to say. I got off right away. Okay. But criminal speeding, you get popped for criminal speeding on the highway or on the surface road. On the surface road, if you're going more than 20 miles per hour. But Arizona is one of the few states that criminalizes criminal speeding or criminalizes speeding. So believe it or not, it's a misdemeanor. So if you're applying for a job or promotion, you've got to disclose you have a criminal conviction on your record. I don't know how it will affect you. I don't know. That's an HR question. But what I do know is it's obvious. If you have 100 people applying for the same job and they say, all right, well, on paper, everyone looks the same. Who's been convicted of a crime? Who hasn't? Boom. People that have been convicted of a crime for whatever, just you're done, and let's narrow the pool. So we charge a very reasonable fee, extremely reasonable fee. We get these charges dismissed all the time. We've had hundreds of cases dismissed or reduced down to civil speeding, which civil speeding is great because you can do defensive driving school. But there's these little tricks and little tricks of the trade, little nuances that we have, these cards that we play on a regular basis that we've acquired these little tricks along the way. They're proven, they work, and this is what we do for other clients. I can do it for you. Give me a call. Let's discuss your criminal speeding case out of Quartzsite, 602-980-1987.